guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can review your bank transactions on Coconut Web, so on a Coconut accounting software web browser version available. So we need to go to section called bookkeeping. Here under unreviewed are the transactions which need to be reviewed. So click on unreviewed, and I have a couple of transactions, well, more than couple. So if any of transactions need to be allocated to business, because you can see all been going to personal, for example this one need to go to business, select the transaction, choose a category, for example it's insurance, click on insurance, and you can add business insurance. And if you have an attachment like invoice maybe, or email which you can save and attach for later to keep as a support document, please do it, attach here. Either it can be from saved receipts or from your computer, and click save. So travel insurance has been moved out to all transactions, mainly business transactions, sorry. If those transactions need to stay in personal, for example, then click mark as reviewed, and they will be posted as personal, and they will disappear from your list of the ones which need to be reviewed. So this is the way how you can review your bank transactions on Coconut accounting software, mainly on Coconut Web. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete Coconut accounting software tutorial, as well as my personal review of this accounting software.